Today I have a little unboxing. I do say it's little because it's only a few things that I've purchased from Amazon this last actually today. This arrived today. I do want to show you the little bit of few things that I did get because they're, I feel to me, a little bit exciting. Two of the things that I bought are repeat things, and these are things that I've gotten multiple times, which I think is really useful. The first one are these Lancino storage bags for breast milk. These are so extremely useful. They actually say that they are pump directly ready, but I do pump with my regular pump and then just pour it into these bags, which I have found are the best, honestly. So I buy them over and over. They are so extremely durable, convenient. By far the best that I've tried, and I have tried the Medela ones. I have tried the Kindy ones, I believe they're called. These are definitely by far my very, very, very favorite, and I very much recommend them. In the back of the box, you will actually see that it tells you, what you need to do in order to store your milk in the most effective way. And I definitely recommended doing this way, except that I don't know why in the picture it looks like so messy and how they flatten it out, but I put something flat on my freezer so that when I, like for example, like a cardboard box or something, that I purchased that I'm not using anymore, so I flatten it out, and once I pour in milk in one of the bags, all I do is just flatten it out against that box so that it freezes completely flat, and then I store it vertically in like a shoebox inside my freezer. It just keeps everything nice and organized. The second thing that I bought, which is a repeat, is actually mother's milk tea, and I get these in like bulk. These come in a box of 6, and I've bought these over and over and over again. This is what it is: mother's milk tea. It's organic. I find I can't really say that this precisely makes you produce all this amount of milk, but I can say that it definitely helps you in terms of your water consumption throughout the day, because you're supposed to drink a lot of water while you're breastfeeding. And number 2, I happen to really enjoy the taste of this tea. I really do. I understand that a lot of people don't agree with that, but I really do like it. So I buy this in bulk. I've bought this multiple times, and like I said, each order is a box of 6. So imagine how much tea I'm drinking. And I actually drink 3 bags of those a day, like 3 little tea bags of those a day. And each bag is for an 8-ounce serving. So you can imagine, and of course I do always have with me my bottle of water, which I continuously drink as well. That has nothing to do with this Amazon unboxing, but let's go to the next item. And these next 2 things I'm so excited about because they are outfits that I picked out for Sebastian for his first birthday. The theme is going to be like a sailor theme, so like boating and things like that. And I bought him a little sailor outfit. I actually bought 3. 2 of them are in here. The other one I think is coming next. I'm so excited because I think he's gonna look so cute. This first one is like this, and the bottoms are actually blue and the top is white, but I like it so much because it's a one piece. If you have a baby, you would know that it's very hard to put 2 pieces on them, because when you carry them, the top rises. That I find it extremely unuseful with coats, especially because when it gets really cold, you're trying to keep the kid warm, right? So when you grab them and the coat rises, it completely defeats the purpose. So if they have a shirt that is not tied at the bottom like a bodysuit for an adult, you would say, then all that cold gets inside their little chest area, which is the most important part to keep warm. Look how cute it is. It has like a little tie here tie in the front. I'm doing that completely wrong. But regardless, you get the idea. So cute. It comes with a little hat. It comes with a little hat. It's so cute. That's how it's supposed to go. See? I love it. It's so cute. Wait until Santiago sees it. I intentionally bought 3 to return 2 because I definitely don't need 3. I mean, how many times am I going to dress my kid up like a sailor? Okay, so this is the exact same one, but with reverse colors. This is actually the blue top with white pants. So cute. So cute. What do we like better? The blue pants? The white pants? Why don't we take a vote? So the blue top with the white pants, that by the way comes with a white hat, or we have the white top with the blue bottoms, that also comes with a blue hat. We need to figure this out. So you need to let me know what your opinion is on all of this. That was my little Amazon unboxing for today. Let me know if you like these types of videos because I do order quite a few things. I order stuff like groceries, for example. Getting out of the house with a child is quite challenging these days. So I do order groceries online. I order, Amazon all the time. So I would really love to share with you what it is I do get on a regular basis, if you would find that useful, because I definitely think there are some great things that I do reorder and reorder and reorder all the time. So thank you so much for watching today, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.